everybody, it's me, Aviana, and today we are going to be making homemade lip scrub with 3 simple ingredients. We are going to be using brown sugar, honey, and olive oil. Probably already have these 3 ingredients at home. The tools you'll be needing is a fork, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon, and a bowl. So first you are going to start with your brown sugar so your honey and your olive oil does not sink through. You're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of your brown sugar. When you pack your brown sugar down, you want to make sure it's really pushed in so your honey and your olive oil does not seep through. Next, you're going to be needing your honey. You're going to be using 1 tablespoon of this. I already pre-poured it into the bowl. So now I'm going to mix it using my fork. I used 1 tablespoon of my brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of my honey. Now I'm going to mix the 2 together. Now that it's mixed, we are going to be using our olive oil. You are going to be using half a teaspoon of your oil. Next, you are going to mix the 3 together. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe bell, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want next. Bye!